everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Lofuanna. It's a PR package that I have received, and it's a fairly affordable or very affordable polygel kit that I'm going to share with you all. So let's get started. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I was asked to share with you guys today a really affordable polygel kit, and I'm all about affordability, so I'm going to do this unboxing with you guys today, and then I'll do another video actually using the products. So I have the full polygel kit, and I haven't opened this yet. I've been sitting on this, and now that I'm going to be opening it with you guys, I'm kind of excited to see what this has. You can find Lofuanna on Amazon, and their pricing, there's another simpler polygel kit that's for like $10. I mean, that is pretty nice for a polygel kit. So definitely check it out, and I'm going to check this out with you guys right now. So let's get started. It comes in this really tight packaged, oh, and look at that, this came off. They definitely packed this in there. So, but I don't think you're going to be needing this bag afterwards anyway. So here are some dual forms that it comes with. The packaging is pretty nice. I like this black and the way that it feels. It feels like suede or velvet. I'm going to check out, oh, and then it's a package within a package, so it looks like you get 3 of each, no, oh wow, you get 2, 4, 5, you get 5 pieces of each number, and it's feeling fairly sturdy. This is pretty sturdy, so I'm going to actually be using these, you guys. I'm gonna try out everything that I have here to see if it's worth the money. And you know me and dual forms, but we're gonna make it work, and I'm gonna see how the ease of using them. But that's pretty cool. It comes in different sizes. There's a bunch in here, so I don't know if it comes standard. Like, I'm not a dual form person, so I don't know how it works, but it looks like there's a lot of different sizes in here, so I'm sure I'll be able to find something in my size. Alright, now that I did all that, put them all back in. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are here watching this, please click that like button. It definitely helps me out, and I greatly appreciate your support. I'm all about taking it out and put it back in. It's my, it's just how I am. Okay, so the next piece here, this is the slip solution, and you know me and my slip solutions, it's got to be the right one. It's a squeeze bottle, so that's, I guess, good, especially when pouring into your dish. And it looks like it's a liquid, so that's good. I don't like those goopy, slimy ones. And I'm going to take this, and I'm actually going to hold it up to my nose. I'm going to smell it. There's not much of a smell there, so that's good too. But we'll see once I start trying it out how well that solution is, because I really like using my own slip solution. So it comes with all these polygel tubes. We have clear, dark nude, we have nude, we have pink, and we have white. So that is pretty awesome because you can do an array of different French tip nails depending on your skin color shade. I like when a polygel comes with that, polygel kit comes with that, because I have the option to do French tips without having to paint the tip on. Or if I just want to go with a nude nail so that I can do work over it, that's always great. I'm going to quickly just look at how clear their clear is and also the consistency. So the squeeze tube is not super hard to squeeze. I'm finding that it does have more air in there, but I guess it does go by weight. It's 0.5 ounces. But I love that there's like, it looks like there's some firmness. You can kind of tell, okay, it's firm and then it levels out. So I'm going to have to watch that when I'm applying. But it looks like it's more natural clear than clear clear. So I can already tell that this is going to be better than, if you've seen my other polygel videos, there's this one particular, I'm not going to mention any other brands while I'm doing this unboxing for Lofuanna, but the other brand that I used, tried, it was just so goopy. So I think this is going to be way better than what it is. So that's that. And then this is something that I've always wanted that I never ended up putting on my list or getting. I just use a nail cutter. But, you know, there's benefits in having this curve because you naturally have a C curve. So when I just use a nail cutter, it's more straight and rigid that it'll crack your nail if it's going against the whole curvature of it all. So I'm glad that this comes with this. So getting this kit, and I'm going to use it when I try out this stuff in my next video. But I'm going to see how good this cutter is. But this is a gift right here. Like, for the amount that you pay, I think this is great to have in there. I'm really surprised that they have this in there. This is pretty, and it's hefty, you know. It's not like it's made out of, this is metal. It's not like it's made out of anything cheesy or flimsy. So now I have these two here. I don't know what they are, but it's in their pretty Lofuanna boxes. It has the ingredients, warning label. Man, they just really like to pack their stuff in really good. So at least you know when transport, it's not going to be like all over the place. Okay. So this is the base coat. Wow, that was so... It's pretty neat they put that in these little boxes. Now I'm particular about my base and top coats, so we're going to see how well this works. I can already see that it's decently thick. So that'll work well when you're doing certain things. I like to have a thicker polish. And I'm just going to guess that this one is the top coat. I bet they package this stuff in here like this because either people buy it individually or it prevents any spillage. So this is the top coat. And if this becomes a good top coat to varnish glitter, this is probably going to be my new best friend. So you get the base and the top coat, which is amazing. And there's more. And you get a nail file. It's feeling like it is the typical 180 nail file. So I'm going to see. Well, I won't. I mean, this is pretty good. I'm not going to want to use it right away because I have all my other ones. But we'll see. And then it comes with an applicator. I like the shape. I want to see how the feel is. I guess I can check that out now. Oh. Yeah, this is a fairly decent feeling brush. Just strong and firm enough. We'll see how it holds up to their slip solution. I noticed that another brand that has that goopy slip solution just destroys the brush, but this feels pretty good. And then last but not least, in this little package, it comes with instructions, which is always great because I feel like this would definitely be just for the pricing, and I haven't used it yet, so but just with the pricing, this is a great beginner kit for you guys to get. So instructions definitely help. My first dual form polygel kit, I definitely read the instructions because I wasn't too sure how to use these babies. So, and there's customer service information, so that's good as well. And they have really nice tips on how to avoid polygels, gel nails breaking easily. So, do not use your fingernails to open cans, nutshells, lids, or other hard things. I don't listen to that at all. But I've managed to do it to where I know the breaking point. So these have survived. I've done fill-ins. That's pretty great. All right, so that's it. This is my unboxing for the Lofuanna Polygel Extension Kit. I'm pretty excited to try this out. You know what I just realized though? This kit does not come with a spatula. How are you supposed... I mean, how are you supposed to scoop the gel out of the tube? I guess what you have to do is just place it on there on the dual form. I mean, I guess, but okay. I mean, just because I have experience with polygel, I would go and get some sort of spatula to use. But as a beginner, if you really don't want to spend that much money, I guess in the next video, I'll use what they have. And I'll see if a spatula really is required. Maybe it's not. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this, you guys. It's always nice to try something new. And so it's always nice to try something new. So go on ahead, click that subscribe button, click on that notification bell, because my next video, I'm going to be trying these products from Lofuanna out, and we'll see really if it's good quality for the price that you pay for. In the description box, I'm going to leave some of their information so you can check out the pricing yourself. I got like the bigger polygel kit that I'm not too sure how much that was, but the basic polygel kit, again, like I said, was $10. So if you have that same day of Prime or 2-day Prime, I'll try to post this as early as possible. You guys maybe can order it for yourself and then check it out with me. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and join me again next time. I'll be trying out these Lofuanna Polygel kit. Thanks. Bye.